In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an ICS file to Google Calendar. If you've ever found yourself with an ICS file that contains important event information that you need to integrate into your Google Calendar, this guide is designed to help you seamlessly make that import without any hiccups. Let's dive in and get your calendar up to date. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to the Google Calendar website in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where you want these events to appear. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of options on your calendar's interface. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon there, which stands for the Settings menu. Click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page with a menu on the left-hand side where you manage various settings for your calendar. In this left-hand menu, look for an option labeled Import and Export. This section is specifically designed to allow you to integrate new data into your calendar or export current calendar data for use elsewhere. Go ahead and click on Import and Export to move forward with this import process. Now, under the Import section on the page, you will find a button labeled Select File from your computer. Clicking this will open a file selection window from which you can navigate to the location on your computer where you have saved the ICS file. This ICS file is typically an iCal file that you've downloaded, perhaps from an email or another calendar service. Once you've located your ICS file and selected it, you may have the option to choose which specific Google Calendar you want to import these events into. If you have multiple calendars set up under your account, a drop-down menu will appear to let you choose the correct calendar for these events. Selecting the right calendar ensures that all your schedules and appointments remain organized. After you've made your selection, look for the Import button to proceed. Clicking this button will initiate the import process. Google Calendar will take the events from your ICS file and add them to the calendar you've specified. You'll soon see these events appear just as they would if you had manually entered them, keeping your scheduling details consistent and easily accessible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully imported an ICS file into Google Calendar. All the events contained in the file should now be part of your calendar, helping you stay organized and on top of your schedule. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for keeping your digital calendar efficiently managed.